Hey guys, how you guys doing? Yeah, sorry for no videos yesterday, but I was just feeling tired. But yeah, today I'm going to do a couple videos, and the first video I really wanted to do was talking about Doge, right? Because obviously Doge, as we can see, has really dumped. Obviously, I think people were doing a bit of buy the hype, sell the news when it came to the SNL show, and now we're seeing this really nice dump in Doge price. Um, and I just really wanted to use this opportunity to showcase how I personally would try and trade this Doge, pullback or dump or whatever the fuck you want to call it, really. Um, I talked about this in another video that I did. I'll leave a link in the description. A video about how I would trade shitcoins in the month of May, and Doge is a perfect shitcoin to be trading. Zero fundamental value, fucking useless, but for some reason it's going up in value. So this is how I'm personally would trade it, and I just want to show to you guys, kind of like in a real trading setting or a real chart reading setting, how I would do this. So obviously, over the last few days, we've reached a top of, let me remove the currency thing here. We've reached a top of about 76 cents with Doge, which when you think about it is just unfucking believable. But anyway, there you go. So how would I personally trade this dump now? Because now obviously it's decreasing quite a lot in value, in percentage value, but keep in mind we're still in a bull market. So how would I trade this in order to make sure that I'm getting the best risk to reward possible? So this is where we would use a tool called the Fibonacci. So I'm going to draw it out here. Let me just make sure I'm using the right one. There we go, the trend base. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the Fibonacci lines in starting from the bottom wick of at the bottom of the initial run up, and then drawing it all the way up to the top wick of the candle at the turnaround or the pullback, right? So the bottom here was around 22 cents. I'm not drawing it from all the way at the bottom here, just because if I draw it all the way from the bottom here, it's going to throw the whole Fibonacci lines off, because this was kind of like almost like an anomaly, I guess you could say. That's when we had that really, really strange pullback. But basically, we had a sort of a recovery here, so that's why I'm drawing it from this particular line. So now that we have this here, what you want to be doing, as I mentioned in the shitcoin trading video before, is you want to be trying to make your buys starting at this 382 fib level here. The reason is because when coins reach new all-time highs, there's no previous price to draw support and resistance lines. So people are using the fib retracement, or the fib extension tool, rather should I say, to find potential price opportunities. And that's what we can see. The 382 coincides perfectly with the 21-day EMA for Doge, and it also kind of coincides perfectly with the tip of the last run-up, right? So it's kind of like made some sort of new support here. And when we had this initial dump, you can see it bounced perfectly off the 382. So this is exactly what I was talking about before, guys. Okay, so the area that you really want to try and purchase is between, I'll draw with a rectangle here. The area that you really want to kind of purchase is between the 382 and the 236 fib levels. If you make a purchase of Doge here, the chances are is you're going to get a strong bounce back up in a bull market. Of course, if it's the point where it completely turns and goes full on bear mode, forget about it. But right now we're still in a bull market. That doesn't look like it's declining anytime soon or changing anytime soon. So that's where we want to place our buy. Anywhere between here, and you see you can automatically get that immediate strong bounce. Okay, buyers are looking at this level. Then where you choose to sell is perfectly up to you, depending on how much risk you want to take, okay? So either you can sell at another one of the higher fib levels, so whether it's at the 0.5 and make a really quick little profit at the 618, which will give you, maybe that 15% profit, or if you're a big Doge bull and you think it's really going to go to $1, this is just another good place where you can buy and then kind of hodl for a few weeks to hopefully see a $1 price, okay? Really, really simple, really, really straightforward. Doesn't require a lot of advanced TA or whatsoever. you can keep on playing this kind of strategy with a bunch of different coins when you see this potential opportunity. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I'm going to post this and I'll do another video on gold soon. Thanks, guys.